Man shot dead as cop foiled kidnapping attempt in St. Catherine. A gun is also seized. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A late night police operation in Taws Meadows, Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Thursday saw the police successfully foiling a kidnapping, resulted in the rescue of the victim and the arrest of two people and the seizure of a firearm. A suspect was also fatally shot. Reports from the police are that the operation began around 10 p.m. after a report was received that a man had been kidnapped and a ransom was being demanded. The police immediately launched a rescue operation. During the exercise, the police reportedly encountered armed resistance. In the ensuing exchange, one of the suspects was fatally shot. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. He has not yet been identified. A .38 revolver containing .38 cartridges was seized at the scene. The Independent Commission of Investigation has since commenced a probe into the incident. Commander for the Area 5 Police Division, Assistant Commissioner of Police Gary Griffiths, has commenced the swift action of the St. Catherine North Police, saying the team prevented a potential tragedy and demanded that the force commitments to public safety and its resilience efforts is combating crime. The police are urging anyone with additional information to come forward to assist the police in their ongoing investigations. Persons can call Crime Stop at 311 or the Spanish Town Police Station at 876-984-2305. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.